as I mentioned, we're going to trade oil and we're going to trade gold, but let's start with the precious metal ahead of the election. Scott, what are the levels that you're looking at? Are you buyer or seller of gold based on the fact that there could be some uncertainty here?
Jackie, I'm going to surprise you. I want to buy the December gold contract. I want to pay $12.80 even. My target to the upside is going to be $13.20 even. Why? Because that's the level that gold broke from last month, and my stop is a little bit different. My stop is going to be $12.59 even, or if we get a Hillary victory, if we're certain that Hillary is going to win, then I want to be out of this trade. Now, you know I'm not usually a fan of buying gold, but Hillary is expected to win, and if we get a surprise, then again, we're going to have this big asymmetry of payoffs. We're going to have, as Grizz pointed out, a much bigger move to the downside than the upside. We're going to have a much bigger move to the upside in gold than we would to the downside, so we can take advantage of that. The other thing, we're likely to lose money on this trade. This trade is likely to lose money because Hillary Clinton is likely to be elected. But what matters here is that we have the odds on our side. If I can make this trade a bunch of times, then I would actually end up really doing well.
Grizz, what do you think? Because as soon as we got the news about the Comey letter, gold sold off.
Yeah, gold sold off right away, Jackie, and that goes to show you the volatility in that market. You know, I've always said, Jackie, from the beginning that if Trump wins this election, look for gold $50 higher, and I still believe that, and I still believe he's got a very good shot at this. So I do like Scott's trade. In fact, I put out a note in my newsletter this morning to buy gold at $12.81, so we're on the exact same levels. And if you look at the levels of gold, that $12.75 to $12.70, there's your support right there, Jackie. If it breaks through, there's going to be no looking back. It's going to go lower. So you want to place your stop in kind of tight because, you know, this will play out easily. This is going to be a black and white trade, especially with gold. The E-mini and other markets might be a little wishy-washy as far as who goes by the victor, but this is going to be very well defined right here. So I do like this trade, and I do like playing it for that because the potential of a profit is a lot bigger than the loss is going to be if Hillary is elected.
Okay, so you're both buyers of gold to protect yourself and hedge a little bit here. Scott is buying at $12.80. He's targeting a move up to $13.20. Each point in this trade worth $100, risking $1,100 to make $4,000.